Hello everyone. I wanted to share with you the results of the optional midterm course survey and the adjustments I've made as a result of the feedback that I've received from it. A little over half of you, 62%, that is 8 out of 13 students responded to the survey. So thank you to all those who responded. Your feedback will help me make adjustments to the course so it can better meet your expectations. Majority of the respondents think the course as a whole is good and better than good, while a couple of you feel it is fair or poor. Majority of the respondents feel the course content is good or better, while a couple of you feel it is only fair. Most of the respondents felt my contribution to the course as an instructor is good or better, while one feels it is only fair. Most of the respondents feel that I'm very good or better at teaching the course, while a couple of you feel that I can do better. I hope that I can adjust whatever I'm currently doing to improve my effectiveness in teaching this course. In terms of how much the course is challenging you intellectually, most of the respondents feel it is above average. However, some feel that it is at average or below average. There was a related question on the survey. Is this class intellectually stimulating? Is it stretching your thinking? Why or why not? And here are the responses to that question. One of the comments was, yes, it is stretching my thinking because it is providing me with a fuller understanding of technology in education and the complexities of integrating different types of technology in today's classroom. Another comment commented, yes, it makes me evaluate my use of technology and how it can be used. So this was also a positive comment. Another positive comment on, yes, we have to do lots of reading and writing. The articles are informative. We have a few different ones to choose from. The questions that I'm asking, they help guide our thinking and thoughts. And there was another respondent that said yes. However, there were a couple of students that said no, but did not really elaborate as to why they are not finding this class challenging. I would encourage those students to get in touch with me so we can work together to make this class more challenging for you. The main contributing factor in terms of the intellectual challenge in the course are, of course, the weekly readings and the subsequent discussions from those readings. So it's important that we spend quality time each week on the readings so we can have discussions that start pushing our current understandings of technology and issues related to technology. Another question on the survey was, what aspects of this class detract you from your learning? One comment was related to the readings and how they are more academic and theoretical, and that they should be more about application of technology in the classroom. Well, the readings in this class may be theoretical sometimes. However, they're also investigative of how technology is used in teaching and learning, and they highlight important criteria regarding the use of technology in the classroom. The readings are intended to develop a critical lens in the use of technology and make our own use of technology research driven rather than anecdotal. Having said that, I also recognize the value of concrete examples of technology integration in the classroom. Keeping this in mind, I had initially decided to start a blog focusing on various uses of technology. However, that would be another resource that you would have to visit. So instead, I have started to require that you share one technology, which could be a tool or a strategy, focusing on the theme for that week in our weekly discussions. All of you are coming with a rich set of experiences that can make a valuable contribution towards the weekly discussions, and you have been doing that. So I hope this will better contextualize what we are reading by connecting theory to actual practice. There are also two related comments regarding the weekly discussions that allude to the quality and timeliness of the discussions. One of those comments actually was a suggestion to have the first post for each week due by Wednesday or Thursday to allow more time for others to respond. I had actually sent out 2 or 3 reminders previously in the semester indicating this, so I completely understand where you're coming from. Rather than put a hard deadline though, I would like to encourage everyone to publish your initial posts for the weekly discussions by Wednesday of each week, so we have enough time to respond and discuss the topic. This will definitely add more depth to our weekly conversations. There were a couple of comments on how it is cumbersome to search for the weekly readings and requesting to upload the readings to Blackboard. I understand and acknowledge that this is a good suggestion. I have started hyperlinking. So if you go to the discussion forum, you'll see that the readings for that week, they are hyperlinked. So all you have to do is to access the readings is click on each link. I hope this will not only make it easier for you to locate the readings, but will also make it easier for us to contribute to the discussions in a timely manner. Another student commented on the organization of the website, how it is not how it is disorganized. Well, I've already addressed the issue of looking up for articles. As far as the organization of the website, I actually reorganized Blackboard starting the 4th week into the semester. Now all the resources you need to do for each week's assignments can easily be accessed using the week by week menu on the left side. So clicking on any of those weeks, for example, this coming week's assignment, week 9, you will see that all the resources and assignments can be found on one page, and you can just click on each one of them and know exactly what's expected for that week. You can also click on the previous week's link to view the previous weeks, what we did previously. My goal is to do the same for the coming weeks. However, this is a bit difficult for me as I'm developing the course as I teach. I've posted a screencast explaining the new course layout in Blackboard. I encourage you to please go over that video if you have not already done so. Another question on the survey was, what suggestions do you have for improving the class? One suggestion was to provide more examples of what I want from you in terms of the assignments. That's a good suggestion. If you click actually on the assignments link in the left menu, you will see the major assignments for this class with directions for each assignment and also student samples from previous semesters. So I would encourage you to please look that up. Also, the class schedule, it lists what are the assignments that are coming up. So together, I think it should give you a pretty good idea of all the upcoming assignments and the expectations for them along with the sample work. So I encourage you to go over the class schedule again. This is a good time to map out the rest of the semester because it is the busier of the two halves of the semester. Most of the major assignments for this course are coming up soon. There was also a suggestion to have the readings focus on other subject areas such as social studies and so on. Again, this is a valid point. You're welcome to propose alternate readings / research studies for the week that focus on social studies, as long as they are from peer-reviewed journals and or professional magazines. I too will keep this in mind and try to highlight applications of technology in content areas that you're interested in. Also, feel free to steer our discussions, our weekly discussions in this direction, and I'll be happy to respond to any inquiries in this regard. Well, folks, that's all I have from the midterm course survey. Once again, thanks to all who took the time to fill it out. I hope the changes I've made from the feedback will improve your experience in this course. I strongly believe that the biggest room in the world is the room for improvement. I'm committed to making any possible and reasonable adjustments to the course so you can have a better experience. So don't hesitate to contact me with any questions or concerns. Wishing you all the best, good luck, and I look forward to the second half of the semester with you. Thank you.